Hi, today we are going to aid students or the students admission in this video. In the last video, we showed the students setup. So here we are going to add students. So if you go to the students management from here or like from here the student list. So from the students management, if you go to, you will be able if you have already students in your institute, you will be able to see the list here by selecting the criteria. Otherwise, you can add student from here, you can import the student from here. Student admissions, we are going to add one student manually, then we will import some students. And if you go to the student, it will that link will bring you here to the student admission form here. So first of all, we have introduced some fields here. Admission number, so I will say do that in my institute name ABC 11001, and I will keep following this format for the entire students of my institute. And I will copy them. Roll number I will do the same, account number I will make it the same, and family number I will make it the same. If you want to add any siblings for this student, you must be having students in already admitted in your school before. Otherwise, after adding this one, you can add this student as a sibling of another one. If they are having the same guardian, the same parents, you know better your school institution criteria. Admission date is today. Category is general student. Class which one? Play group A section. Gender is male. Father name, first name, sorry. I will say Gul Rahmat, and date of birth it's a random one, so I will say 2016 to 18 October 1st, whatever, or I will say Gul at the rate of abc.com. Religion up to you, whatever the religion, Islam, uh, you can put the religion here. Mobile number, uh, we don't need to put the country code, so I will just put a normal number, 10 digits or 11 digits, otherwise it will not accept. So it's normally 10 digits or 11 digits in each and every country. That's a normal format. So we are going to put a number. So I will copy this number, and blood group, whatever you want. Student house, you can say from here. Height, I will say 92. Weight, I will say 40. And if guardian address is the same, yes, and that is I will put London. Contact number, I will put the same contact number for the emergency contact details. I'll say XYZ, or I will put the relation as uncle, uh, YXZ and uncle. Any medical history, so no problem at the moment. Is there any chronic medical problem? If I say yes, it you will see here. Otherwise, you can say no. Uh, if you select yes, you need to give proper details here. So kindly contact guardians or emergency contact numbers as up in case of emergency if there is any problem. Yeah, so that's fine. Continue. These are the parent or guardian details. I will say Jamal Khan, or I will put the same contact number. Father occupation is business. The father photo, mom name, mom's contact number, or housewife. If you want to give the mother names, you can put it here. Uh, Jamal Khan, or we'll say Mrs. Jamal Khan. If guardian is the father, so the details will come here. Uh, the selected guardian, and his contact number is here, and I will put Jamal Khan @ abc.com. Guardian photo, and done. Continue. Here you can put the bank details if you want to set it up for the fees payment or refunds or any other information. You can do the transport if you have already set up transport section, then you will see the details here. You can select from here. Hostels, you can select the hostel number, hostel name, and the room number which if you want to allocate them, and then submit. So it's been saved properly. If you go to the student details now, here you can say playgroup, section A, search, and this is the student which you have registered now. And if you click on the name, well, so it will bring you to the student profile. So here you will be able to see the proper profile, fee structure, examination documents, library documents, attendance timeline, all the things you can uh, see here. You can manage from here, and if you want to edit the profile, you can do it from here. If you want to see the login details already assigned by the system automatically, and that will be the link to assign in the student from. And you can disable the student. You can send student password, you can send the parent password for their sign up or signing into the system, their personal portals. So that was the manual student admission. In the next video we will go to import the students. In the next video we are going to do that. Thank you very much.